In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sheet's background color in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is the Apple numbers, and one of the sheet is I just opened sheet 1. Now our goal is to change the background. To change the background, we have to click anywhere of this sheet where there is no object. So this is an object. If we click here, it will not work. So we have to click anywhere where there is blank, where there is no object, and now we have to click format. So once we click format, then it will bring this menu. Now see, I told you that you have to click anywhere where there is no object, right? So if you click here, that will not appear. So that's why I told you have to click anywhere, and so the format, it will give this type of option. Now here we will see background. To change the background, we just need to change the color. We can click here, and from here we can change any color. Like for example, we can choose a light orange color. If we click here, the entire sheet will be light orange color. Now if we want to choose some other color, how to do this thing? To do that, at first we need to click this small circle where there is like colorful. We have to click here, it will bring this menu. Now from here we can choose any number of color or any color. So here this is the basic color. If you click Apple menu, and there are so many options are there, so you can choose anywhere from here the color you want. If you want to pick a color from here, you can also do, or you can also choose a color from here also. Like for example, I want to make the color like this, so I just need to click here, it will be like that. If I want to change other color, it will be like that. Now if you don't like any of this color, or for example you want the whole sheet will be in this color, for example like this triangle type of triangle color, so what you need to do, you just need to click this pen icon, and then you have to select the triangle area and just click here, and you will see the entire sheet change the color. And that's it. In this way we can easily change the background color, and after that we can close it. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to change sheet's background color in Apple numbers.